So, good evening, everybody. Time to look at the comments. So let's see. We've got Uter Zorka, who's given me a load of hearts for core, and Soledade Arcoverde, who says wonderful explanation. Thanks, sir, for ambiguous and ambivalent. Okay, and that's Nora Mandour, who sent me the copy of her exam. And okay, yes, here I just put the link in this. So Nora Mandour says, "Thank you so much, my dearest teacher." And Nora Mandour says, "Dear teacher, if I say, for instance, this game is peculiar to itself, this expression of peculiar to itself means weird or eerie or unintelligible." Yeah, that's very good. Uh, to itself, yes, or maybe in itself as well. Yeah. Yeah, it's just strange. Okay, Amir. Hi there, Amir. Thank you. I have an irrelevant question, so I hope you don't mind if I ask. In fact, I'm reading a book named How the Order Controls Education, written by Professor Sutton, and explaining about a group who have started building a whole new education system for 150 years, University of Yale. Does the word order mean something like the master, overlords, owner, shareholder? Yes, how the order. Yeah, I probably need to see the book to define it more, but I think from this it says the status quo, the people in power, yeah, the overlords, as you put it. So I think you're fine. Okay, and Afraz Afzal Hussein. I watched your vid and now I know that separable pronoun can come between the verb and the particle. Okay, it's not the pronoun that's separable, it's the phrasal verb, and you need to learn if the phrasal verb you're using is separable or inseparable. If you don't know, always guess separable because you're much more likely to be right. Okay, and Victor Gabriel says the first one because look after. I ought to put the heart for this. The first one because look after is an inseparable phrasal verb. Exactly, VG. Well done. Yes, the Straits of Dover used like this. Straight jacket. Notice the spelling. It's Maria Mikkonen. Hi, Maria. Sorry for not giving your name. Double standard, dichotomy. These drop down from feeling good. Do we use this in the plural form? Dichotomies. Yeah, there are various dichotomies in different things. You could use it in the plural form. I think it is better without, okay, for the precise meaning. Yeah, I think you need to look at one dichotomy at a time because they are complicated things. Okay, Maria Mikkonen again. I could never practice Stoicism. Yes, okay, that's perfectly reasonable. I can understand why. He looked after her. We cannot separate the collocation. To look after, to take care of someone. Exactly. So the first answer is correct. Well done. And Jose Farinas. Mr. John comes always across the people with a cheerful and gentle demeanour. Okay, good use of cheerful and gentle demeanour. Okay, so I think here what you need to say is Mr. John always comes across two people with a cheerful and gentle demeanour. Yeah, he always comes across two people. Yeah, it's the way he comes across to them. Okay, thank you, Jose. And Suv Mondal. Hello, sir. Could you explain what it means when people say someone or something got me doing something? This is what initiated you. It's what triggered you into doing it. So yeah, a total lack of money got me working. Yeah, it got me working. The words that he said got me thinking, made me start thinking, initiated thinking in my head. Okay, so something gets me doing this. Um, when when I started to feel really cold, that got me looking for my coat. Okay, something that initiates it. When I saw it was getting late, that got me hurrying up, and that's the idea, Suv. Okay, and Patricia. Great one as usual, Alex. Everyone must be delighted. Just continue what you're doing. Uh, could just continue doing what you're doing and take care. So, thank you, will do. Thank you, Patricia. And Polyglot. Good evening, Alex. Buff up. I rely on your channel to buff up, to polish, to improve my C1 and C2 levels. Thanks a lot. Well done. And Patricia, be on the spot. So somebody can be on the spot, or you could put somebody on the spot, puts them in a difficult position. Discombobulated Mohammed. One of the news, so one of the pieces of news that's been exposed to everyone, that's been shown to everyone recently, is that Kanye West is hell-bent on making Kim Kardashian discombobulated. Okay, that's fine. Well, I got it wrong. I need some explanations. Time to learn. Okay, Sheed. This is a question of, is a verb separable or inseparable? I looked after her. With this, the look after somebody is inseparable. That means you can't put anything between the look and the after. The look and the after go together. Other verbs, however, phrasal verbs, are separable. I thought it over. Yeah, I thought the matter over. This is separable, and you need to put your pronouns between the two. Okay, and you need to learn this for each phrasal verb sheet. Unfortunately, there's no easy solution to it. So, Ginty, yeah, arguably. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Waterfall. Well, this is talking about the fall, the autumn. Autumn and fall. So why did Humpty have a good autumn? Well, autumn and fall are the same. And Manji. Wow, I'm the first one to comment. I know about to pine. She's pining for her lost love. Yeah, she's repining for her lost love as well. Absolutely. That's perfect, Manji. Thank you. Great to see you, Manji. And Mohammed. I've requested this word recently, and here we go. I found it made by you. Thanks a bunch, sir. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, you mentioned it. I wrote it down. It's taken a while to come out, but here it is. And Manji says a nice request. Thank you. Okay, and Manji again. In The Merchant of Venice, Shylock, the penny pincher, repines for his power and pelf after losing everything in the trial. Okay, I love that. You've used this pelf as well. That's great. Yeah? Okay, that's very good English. He repines for his power and pelf. I love it. Okay, and vindicate. To infer, to imply. No, to vindicate is to prove that somebody's right. Yeah? You say something and everyone says, nah. And then it happens, and then you are vindicated. To vindicate something that proves you are right. Okay, Alexander DPT. Forget. It's hard to do. Except if you have memory loss or dementia. I agree more with you about forgive. Easier possible. Maybe. And make your life will be better. Maybe. And it will make your life better. Yeah, it will make your life better. Thank you, Alexander DPT. Okay, this is about let bygones be bygones. Yeah, I'm sure I used the phrase forgive and forget. Yeah? Okay, Bernice, great to see you, Bernice. I'm still repining about the fact you didn't wish me on my birthday. Okay, so you didn't wish me, you need an object. You did. I would probably just say here, I'm still repining about the fact that you didn't wish me happy birthday. So, Bernice, many belated happy returns of the day. Okay, Pretam says, thank you, sir, for repine. No problem at all. And Ginty, it's time you change your outlook towards life. Your old ideas are gathering dust, says he. Good English, Ginty. And Hunter Hewitt. So, can you please explain the meaning of if you elect a clown, expect a circus? Okay, so this is suggesting that if the person you elect as your president is a clown or somebody who's not serious, then your country's not going to be well run. I'm wondering which country you're referring to. Okay, so if you elect somebody not serious, then you can't expect to have your politics well run. Okay, and Jose Fariñas, I love the colour of the tree leaves in fall season. Okay, I love the colour of tree leaves in the fall season. Yeah, you, Humpty Dumpty. Okay, you've got it exactly. That's the idea, Jose. And then Douglas Russ says bravo about repine. So, can you please explain the meaning of skating on thin ice? Well, there's a video there. To be acting in a risky situation, to be doing something that could get you into a lot of trouble or a lot of difficulty. When the profits of the company started to taper off, they were trying to find a way to make products back to be picking up steam once again. They were trying to find a way to make products so that the company could pick up steam again. So, started to taper off. They were trying to find a way to make products that meant the company would start to pick up steam once again. It's just this little bit here. It's the joining of these two, the link of these two. And Manna King. The soldiers repined when they got the word that they had a fallen soldier. Okay, I would probably say that a soldier had fallen, but they had a fallen soldier. I guess it works. She repined after she got the news. Great. She repiningly rewrote the letter for the third time. Good sentence. He repined about his childhood. Good work, Manna King. And Jeremiah Shine. Okay, this looks like a poem. Little Rosie did repine in her boots way back at the end of the line. The shuffling feet were shuffling fine until around the bend there flashed a sign. Delays ahead, oh bother, then never mind. Rosie cussed to keep the rhyme, though a soda verily would be divine. I hereby and most formally do myself resign. That's very good. Yeah, you've even got some meter to it as well. That's very good work. I'm not going to correct anything in it. Very good work, Jeremiah. Okay, so to repine. Let me try it again. Little Rosie did repine in her boots way back at the end of the line. The shuffling feet were shuffling fine until around the bend there flashed a sign. Delays ahead, oh bother, then never mind. Rosie cussed to keep the rhyme, though a soda verily would be divine. I hereby and most formally do myself resign. That's really, really good, Jeremiah. And Static Blaster. Many Americans are always repining because they don't have enough stuff, which is why the country is one of the unhappiest countries in the world. Material stuff never made anyone content. That's very good, Static Blaster. I quite agree with you. And Mohammed, a blip on the screen is used metaphorically to give an abstract meaning. Yeah. So this was just a blip. It wasn't a trend at all. And then Ronan has been watching Rapine and he says it's great. And Jerem, Ukrainians have a reason to repine, that yet they remain steadfast in their efforts to defend their country. Good English. Well done, Jerem. Thank you. And let's just refresh this, see if there's anything more. There probably is. Well, we'll see. Friday night's normally reasonably calm. Nope, that's it. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. So, take care, everybody, and bye for now.